Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to connect Apple Watch to Spotify. First, ensure your Apple Watch and iPhone are properly paired. Next, download the Spotify application onto your iPhone from the App Store. Once installed, open the Spotify app on your iPhone and log in using your account credentials. This initial setup is crucial for seamless integration between your two devices, preparing them for music playback on the go. Now let's get Spotify onto your Apple Watch. Open the Watch app on your iPhone. Scroll down until you find the available apps section. Locate Spotify in this list and tap the Install button right next to it. The app will then begin installing on your Apple Watch. This process usually takes just a few moments, depending on your connection speed, so be patient. With Spotify installed, open the app directly on your Apple Watch. You can browse your saved music, playlists, or podcasts. To listen without your iPhone, select a playlist or album and choose to download it for offline playback. Remember to connect your Bluetooth headphones directly to your Apple Watch for a completely untethered listening experience, giving you freedom during workouts or commutes. If you encounter any issues, first ensure both your Apple Watch and iPhone are running the latest software versions. A simple restart of both devices can often resolve minor glitches. Always check your internet connection when streaming or downloading music. For the best performance and quickest sync times, keep your two devices charged and relatively close to each other during the setup and download processes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.